ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਰਾਗ ਮਹਲਾ ਤੀਜਾ। ਸਹਿਜੈ ਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਲੋਚਦੀ ਬਿਨ ਗੁਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ। ਪੜ ਪੜ ਪੰਡਿਤ ਜੋਤ ਕੀ ਥਕੇ ਵੇਖੀ ਪਰਮ ਭੁਲਾਏ। ਗੁਰ ਭੇਟੇ ਸਹਿਜ ਪਾਇਆ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇ ਰਜਾਏ। Everyone seeks for the eternal bliss and equipoise, but it can be attained only through the Guru's guidance. The Pandits and the astrologers read and read until they grow tired, while the fanatics are all deluded by doubt. Only meeting with true Guru, intuitive balance is obtained when Vaheguru in His will grants His grace. Paire gur bin sahaj na hoye, shabd hi te sahaj upjay, har paya sach soye raha. O brother, without the Guru, intuitive balance cannot be obtained. Only through the true word of Shabad, the equipoise and intuitive peace comes, and true Vaheguru is obtained. Pause. सहजे गावया थाई पवै, बिन सहजे कथनी बात। सहजे ही भगत उपजै, सहज प्यार बैराग। सहजे ही ते सुख शांत होए, बिन सहजे जीवन बात। Singing His praises with intuitive ease is acceptable. Without this intuitive balance, all of it is useless. In the state of intuitive balance and equipoise, the devotion comes. In the intuitive balance, love is totally balanced and detached. In the state of intuitive balance, peace and tranquility are produced, and we attain the bliss, else this life will be a total loss without the eternal bliss. सहज सलाही सदा सदा, सहज समाध लगाए। सहजे ही गुण उचरै, भगत करे लिव लाए। शब्दे ही हर मन वसै, रसना हर रस खाए। In this state of equipoise, praise the God forever and ever. With intuitive ease, embrace the samadhi, the meditation. In the state of equipoise, chant His glories and lovingly immerse yourself in devotional worship. It's only through the true Shabad that Vaheguru comes to reside within the mind, and the tongue tastes the sublime essence of God. सहजे काल विडारिया, सच शरणाई पाए। सहजे हर नाम मन वसिया, सच्ची कार कमाए। सेवड पागी जिन्नी पाया, सहजे रहे समाए। In the state of equipoise, we take refuge at the lotus feet of Vaheguru, leaving all the fear of death. We get involved in performing noble and truthful actions by inculcating true name within our hearts. People who have attained the Vaheguru by immersing in His true name are truly fortunate ones. माया विच सहज न उपजै, माया दूजै पाए। मनमुख कर्म कमावणे, होमै जलै जलाए। जमन मरण ना चूकई, फिर फिर आवे जाए। By indulging in the pursuits of falsehood, Maya, we can never achieve the eternal bliss of equipoise, as this leads us to dual-mindedness. The self-will manmukhs perform religious rituals, but they are burned down by their selfishness and conceit. Their birth and death cycle is not erased, and over again they keep going into reincarnations. त्रहि गुणा विच सहज न पाइय, त्रहि गुण परम पुलाए, पढ़िय गुणिय क्या कथिय, चामुंड हो कुत्था जाए, चौथे पद में सहज है, गुरमुख पल्लव पाए. In the three qualities, the equipoise, intuitive balance is not obtained. The three qualities led to more doubt and delusion. It is of no use to continue reading, studying, and debating and giving discourses when one is totally detached from the source, the one and only Vaheguru. In the fourth state, there is equipoise and intuitive balance, and Gurmukhs gather it in. निर्गुण नाम निधान है, सहजे सोची होए, गुणवंती सालाहया, सच्चे सच्ची सोए, पुलिया सहज मिलाए सी, शब्द मिलावा होए. The name of the formless God is the treasure. Through intuitive balance, this understanding is obtained. The virtuous ones praise the true one and attain the status of true reputation. Those who have lost the real path are also united with God through intuitive balance. Through the Shabad, the union is obtained. बिन सहजय सब अंध है, माया मोह गुबार, सहजय ही सोजी पई, सच्चे शब्द अपार, आपे बख्श मिलायन, पूरे गुर करतार. Without the experience of equipoise, it is total darkness due to ignorance and under influence of Maya. It is through the understanding of Guru's word, which is above everything, that we attain self-realization. The great and perfect Guru bestows his benevolence and grace on us, enabling us to unite with Vaheguru. सहजे अदिष्ट पछाणिय, निर्भव ज्योत निरंकार, सबना जिया का एक दाता, ज्योति ज्योत मिलावण हार, पूरे शब्द सलाहिय, जिसदा अंत न पारावार. In the state of equipoise, the unseen is recognized, the fearless, luminous, formless God is seen. There is only one giver to all the beings, and he blends our light with his light. So praise God through perfect word of his Shabad. There is no end or limitation to him. ज्ञानिया का तन नाम है, सहज करहे वापार, अन दिन लाहा हर नाम लैन, अखुट परे पंडार, नानक तोट नावे, दिए देवण हार. The learned ones possess the treasure of true name and deal with the merchandise of only true name. In this life, they do this effortlessly. They gain the gift of true name every day, while the ocean of God's great love is limitless. O Nanak, when the great giver gives, nothing at all is lacking anymore.